The Dark Energon readings are spiking. Be careful!
Optimus, what's happening? I'll get the ground bridge ready.
What a shame that those Autobots can't fly. We've just gotten rid of them all in one fell swoop.
You fool! If the Autobots could be defeated by simply picking them up and dropping them, we would have done that already. Get down there and finish them off!
Yes, Lord Megatron. You heard the Master. Go! Make sure the Autobots are scrapped.
And sweep the area where the meteor landed. It must be recovered.
I want you.